Hello and welcome. You are now looking at an HTML-based website, and it's quite possible that you'll want to track the activity on this particular page or site. If that's the case, you are going to be able to place your Google Analytics code on the page where your site is. So we're going to go through that process in this video. Now you are going to need an HTML editor for this particular page in order to place the code. In order to do that, you are going to want to find one of the free editors or use the one that you have. We are going to look for one called NVU by going to Google. And if we go to Google and we just type in NVU, it's typically going to be the first result that will come up. It's at nvu.com. You're going to want to go to that site. You'll then want to either download NVU or Composer. Either one will serve as an effective HTML editor. Now, once you have NVU open, you are going to then open the index file of the web page you are going to be tracking. Once you have the page open, you're going to go to your source code. Once you do that, you're going to come back to Google Analytics and you're going to pick up the tracking code that you are going to be using for this particular site. And we're going to copy all of this code, and then we're going to go back to our HTML site in order to paste the code. Now the code should go someplace in the header area typically, and so we're going to go ahead and we're going to place this code in the header area. Once we do that, we're going to click the save button, and then our site will be ready to be uploaded to our server. We're then going to take the website files and we're going to drag and drop them into the directory where we're going to be installing the site. And as you can see, even though we pasted the code, the form of the website doesn't change, and now we're ready to track from this particular website. If you're going to have multiple one-page websites, you're going to want to make sure that Google Analytics is actually placed on each and every one of these pages if you want to track the activity. Now, one thing that we'll want to do is we'll want to make sure that the code is actually working. And one of the ways that we can do that is we can go to the dashboard and we can look at the real-time statistics in Google Analytics. And if we go to the real-time statistics, you'll see that there was one page view just 8 minutes ago, and that was when we were actually visiting the site. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.